Well. I knew this day would come. I knew it would come, and I felt it in my ovaries. And I'll tell you something. I didn't think that sticking all those needles in that Biden doll would help, but here I am. We're gonna have so much fun. Now, I've been a little busy since the news broke, and, I was galvanizing with many donors. And I asked my good friend Jean-Claude Van Damme Pierre to help me with my acceptance speech, so here goes nothing. Oh, say, can you see? Okay. By the dawn's early light. Jean-Claude, I don't want to talk about dawn in the speech. It's okay, I think you're confused. Yeah, hanging around Joe just really fucked you up. Alright, I'm gonna do this my way, alright? I got this far. Okay. America. And Willie. Get ready. Because it is time to unburden what has been.